Yesterday, a Tory MP was arrested on suspicion of rape. Today, his party say they won't suspend him until the investigation is complete.
This is a very serious allegation, and it's right that it's treated as such. I understand that the police are now investigating, so I don't think there's anything further that I can add, other than to say that the Chief Whip and the government are fully aware, and I'm sure will take all the steps that are necessary.
But opposition parties are calling for the Conservatives to reconsider, with Labour's Shadow Safeguarding Minister Jess Phillips saying on Twitter, "This is an appalling decision that sends a message that the Conservative Party do not take either their safeguarding responsibility or people who come forward seriously. I hope that decent Tories privately contact Number 10 and their whips and express their disgust."
Given the seriousness of these allegations and that suspension in a workplace or anywhere else is actually a neutral act, it's a thing that you do in order to set off an investigation of your own and allow other investigations to complete, I would urge them to think again.
The alleged victim is understood to be a young woman who used to work in Parliament. The allegations span a 6-month period.
Do you have anything to say, Mr Elphick?
And it comes just days after former MP Charlie Elphick was convicted of sexual assault. Yet the way criminal investigations are reported has changed since Cliff Richard won a privacy case in 2018. A police raid on the singer's home was televised by the BBC after a child sexual assault allegation. But Mr Richard was never arrested, never charged. The investigation was dropped and the police apologised. The Conservatives know that if they remove the whip from this MP and suspend him from the party, he will become an independent MP and his name will likely become public. And if he's never actually charged with any criminal offence, that could unfairly damage his reputation forever. For now, the MP has been released on bail. He remains anonymous. Joe Pike, Sky News, Westminster.